हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आप सबका मेरे चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। पहला म्यूचुअल फंड है हमारा क्वांट टैक्स प्लान डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। इस फंड को आपको बाय करना है। क्वांट टैक्स प्लान डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, इसकी रेटिंग है 5 स्टार। एनएवी नेट एसेट वैल्यू 232.6799 रुपीज़। क्वांट टैक्स प्लान डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ फंड की हाइलाइट्स। The current net asset value of the Quant Tax Plan Direct Plan as of 5 October 2021 is rupees 232.6799 for growth option of its direct plan. Its trailing return over different time periods are 91.35% first year, 34.75% 3 years, 24.94% 5 years, and 22.31% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 59.54% first year, 18.51% 3 years, and 14.87% 5 years. The Quant Tax Plan Direct Plan currently holds asset under management worth of rupees 368.44 crore as on August 31, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.5% from direct plan as on August 31st, 2021. The given fund doesn't attract any exit loan. Minimum investment required is 500 and minimum additional investment is rupees 500. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 500. SIP means systematic investment plan. SWP means systematic withdrawal plan. Things you should consider: riskometer. Annual return for the last 3 years 38.28%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range: first month low high 220.174, 232.680, and 52-week low high 117.012, 232.680. Asset allocation, investment growth. Quant Tax Plan Direct Plan. 1 year duration return 93.12%. 3 years return 38.28%. Quant Tax Plan Direct Growth. About fund. Quant Tax Plan Direct Plan is open-ended else equity scheme which belongs to Quant Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on January 1st, 2013. Investment objective and benchmark: asset allocation and portfolio composition. Tax implications. So guys, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है क्वांट टैक्स प्लान डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। 5 स्टार रेटिंग। NAV 232.6799 रुपीज़। ओके, नेक्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड। नेक्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड है PGIM इंडिया लॉन्ग टर्म इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। इसकी रेटिंग है 4 स्टार। ग्रोथ ऑप्शंस: PGIM India Long-Term Equity Fund Direct Growth, 4-star rating, NAV 25.2400 rupees. Fund key highlights. The current net asset value of PGIM India Long-Term Equity Fund Direct Plan as of 5th October 2021 is rupees 25.2400. For growth option of its direct plan, its trailing return over different time periods are 68.8% first year, 20.45% 3 years, 16.9% 5 years, and 17.6% since launch. Various category return for the same time duration are 59.54% first year, 18.51% 3 years, and 14.87% 5 years. The PGIM India Long-Term Equity Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management of rupees 358.4 crore. As on August 31st, 2021, the expense ratio of the fund is 1.38% for direct plan. As on August 31st, 2021, the given fund doesn't attract any exit load. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP returns rupees 500. Things you should consider: riskometer. Annual return for the last 3 years 23.8%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range: 1 month low high 24.330, 25.240, and 52 week low high 15.130, 25.240. Asset allocation, investment growth. PGIM India Long-Term Equity Fund Direct Growth. 1 year return 66.71%, 3 years return 23.8%. About fund: PGIM India Long-Term Equity Fund Direct Plan is open-ended else equity scheme which belong to PGIM India Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on December 11, 2015. Investment objective and benchmark, asset allocation and portfolio, tax implication. Okay, so guys, आपको फंड बाय करना है PGIM इंडिया लॉन्ग टर्म इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ. Rating 4-star. Net asset value NAV 25.2400. So guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.